Hello everybody, another devlog. So in this devlog, I don't know what we were left off of the last time, right? Things are good this day, so we open this one. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is always have these things in the center. So we're gonna find the right amount of transform to the right to make that happen. So only after, I guess in the end, because there's no way row is not found. Okay, yeah, there is a way where row cannot be found actually. So if row is found, then set the transform whatever blah 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 of the, what is it called? The horizontal container, I guess. Yeah, this one. Get it like this, and then set transform to. It's not a render transform, right? Is it? Yeah, this one. Set transform. And we can do split this one. We can do get transform. Let's split this one. Boom. Transform translation. Yeah, this one is the one we wanna change. So I'm gonna do minus. Can I do that? Yes. Nice. So which one do you want to change here? You want to change these ones. Oh, apologies for that. Always confuse me. So if you change the y, it's definitely the x. So minus. Okay, let's try. Right, 30. Goes to the left, right? Yeah. Goes to the top left. It's the origin of everything. So go there, open it. Wow. It looks like it works well. I kind of feel like we should be moving it more. So something like box 100. Try to find 200. 200. We're gonna find the balance. Whoa. Okay. So they always move towards this direction. Take, then it shows me that I'm taking the last thing there like that. But in the beginning, it moves on like on that direction way too fast. How about I do 100? I felt like earlier was a little bit closer to the result that we need. It moved so fast to this side. I feel like we should only be doing this. Over time it should be increasing more and more, right? Somehow. So this should be concatenated inside of here, but this number could be outside. Named something. So transform angle. Forgot to connect this one. So this one could be readjust horizontal box. How much? Yeah, and this one should only have, we should only be changing the x actually, so we don't need any of that. Split. How much? X. And things are good here, look good. But the thing is, every time we move promote to X, how much to readjust the X? the more time goes on, the more this number should go bigger, and the less, in the beginning especially, the faster the F curve is, the slower we want this thing to be. So create random slots from DT. We're gonna search this one. Initialization. How about we first find, yeah, this one, this F curve. We have this all over the place actually, but doesn't matter, I think. Okay. So we have this also here and here too. Which one is the one we want to alter though? That's the real question. By F curve, we could get it by F curve. Oh, so this over time gives us a bigger number. So it's gonna get to a point, yeah, we can multiply this actually by 100. And each time, you know, you connect this one here. How much readjust the X? Don't care if it's not too readable or whatever, as long as it works. But now it's not moving at all. Shouldn't it constantly be... Oh! This is why. Because we haven't connected a time. Yep. We want to print string that one also. By 100. Yeah. In there. 1456. Oh, we want to actually subtract this. Oh, we haven't connected it. How much X? No, we need more. We need more. Not just that, but also it looks good so far, not gonna lie. But this needs like to multi-compound faster. I don't know if we could compound it with power number, but we compound with like, no, get this times 2, for example. No way I'm doing it like this. We did 2 times 200. 250. I feel like it should be more animated. What about 400? Nope. And then this times 2 times this, and then this here. No, it's crap. So all these attempts, like we're getting close, but couldn't we do it somehow different in a way that maybe we don't need this to be here at all, right? And it's just these icons already exist by default. On pre-construct, we have selected how many of them there are gonna be, and then we just rotate around the circle. We rotate it with a timeline, and then we just stop. We just stop at some point. So yeah, this is actually the completely different way of doing this. Um, this is a this is the roller wheel method. We're not doing the roller wheel right now, and I don't think we can do the roller wheel, the roulette in this form, in this style, because this is just, yeah, it's brain rot. Uh, we'll need to completely change our path, our direction in the next video when we did it a different way. So in the next video, I think we'll try to do it a different way if I have the courage for that. But yeah, I'll try to have the courage and walk through the other method. Even though there's no way to avoid this work, it's gonna work. It's a lot of work anyways, so might as well jump through it as fast as possible. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you guys. See you in the next video.